Hello everyone. Are you looking for a fashionable and affordable watch that can keep up your busy lifestyle? The DT96 smartwatch is perfect for you. This stylish watch is packed with features including digital display, Bluetooth connectivity, and a wristwatch mode. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to wear, making it perfect for everyday use. Whether you are in the office or on the go, the DT96 smartwatch is a versatile choice that will help you stay organized and on time. In this video, we are going to unbox the brand new DT96 smartwatch. You can get this product exclusively on heka.com. Moreover, if you purchase from our link and use the code MULTITECH10 to get an extra $10 off on order above $30. I will leave a link in description. Check that out. On heka.com, you will find a variety of cool stuff, from electronics and smart products to home appliances and fitness equipment, with different brands to choose from, which will become online shopping platform for your daily life. This smartwatch is for men and women, available in black, gold and silver. So we will see if this watch is worth to buy. We will run some tests, see how it works, and see what other features do we have in this watch. Without further ado, let's open it up. Opening the box, we have dial, but we will get back to it. Now let's see what's next. It comes with a standard 20mm steel and silicone 2 straps. Next is a magnet USB charging, then user manual in different languages. Now let's look at the dial. These are plastics. Let's peel this off one by one. It's a PPG sensor and magnetic charging pins. Now I will insert this metal belt for this dial. Turning on the watch says hello, and the watch is on now. As you can see, we have two buttons on the right side. The upper one used to power on the watch and to go back to dial screen, and the lower button is for a quick sports access. Very good display. Not so big. You can wake up your watch by double tapping or by pressing power button. It would look better if it goes full rounded, not smaller than the actual screen. But either way, it looks pretty good. You can see we have here few faces that are default. If you swipe down, you will find quick controls for battery level, do not disturb mode, setting, etc. If you swipe up, your synchronizing messages will show here if you allowed access. On the right, we have the real-time statistics that we can measure, then blood pressure monitor with highest, lowest and average. We have sleep data as well. In the left, we have the menu from data, sports, heart rate, sleep, blood pressure, blood oxygen, music, stopwatch, messages, IP67 waterproof, find my phone, etc. In the new DT96, we have a 1.3-inch 360 rounded 2.5D curved retina display. It has a bezels of 42.5 mm with a full touchscreen, Bluetooth 5.0, 180 mAh lithium battery. You can use it for 4 days. In the setting, you got a display. In that, you can switch watch faces, adjust brightness, set screen time, raise to wake, then change vibration intensity, language, menu style, QR code and system information about, shutdown and reset the watch. You can track all of the activity and your health chart through application. To download the application, just hover around here and scan this barcode. Click on the link and download the FitCloud Pro. Register and fill the details. On the home screen shows health measurement. In fact, you can again start tapping here or individually going each activity like this. Here in Device tab, you can have all the control over watch functions. You can change push notifications, then set alarm, enable alert for activity like water drinking. In dial library, you can choose which suits you. Just click synchronizing dial and it will automatically downloaded and sync to watch. Here in my dials, you can see your downloaded dials or can remove from here as well. Rest is simple and you can set according to your preferences. To track your activity, you need to connect to Google Fit. Now for calling, you will have just notified. You can't pick up, call or reject. I don't think these are enough for a smartwatch in today's world. because we got too much technology that we can upgrade. These are just way too little things to know. Some smartwatches tells you a lot more. This small and lightweight watch is packed with features that make it perfect for anyone who wants to stay connected in a variety of ways. From receiving notifications for your phone to tracking your fitness progress to controlling your music playback, the DT96 has it all. So, what we are waiting for? Order your DT96 smartwatch today and start staying connected in ways that matters the most. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you will find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.